Pelican Mouth productivity management software is an exceptional tool that allows users to communicate, collaborate, and complete. Keep track of what's due, when it's due, and who is responsible for getting it done. This advanced task management system does not use complicated Gantt charts or have ridiculously low limits on projects. We allow 1,000 projects per user per year and allow the company to pool all of these projects. Whether you have a staff of 3, 8, or even 25, Pelican Mouth is right for you. It tracks the big projects like your company's planned trade show appearance or new product offerings, as well as small assignments like text changes on websites or an order for office supplies. The system manages attachments for each project, supports parent-child project structures, and handles due dates, reporting, and even sends assignments and updates via email. This is real-world project management and is sure to improve communications in any small business as well as make it more productive. Pelican Mouth helps you get control on the tasks in your company on a day-to-day basis without having to constantly direct and ask for status. When a user logs into Pelican Mouth, they are taken to a dashboard screen. The dashboard allows the user to get a quick overview of the various tasks and projects going on within the company. The Tasks section shows the 10 tasks with the soonest due dates. Items highlighted in pink are past due, and items highlighted in yellow are due today. The Projects by User section shows the total number of tasks assigned to each individual user. In this section, you can quickly view the total workload of each user. The Recently Completed section allows you to see which projects have been completed. You can view projects completed today, yesterday, or in the last 3 days. The dashboard screen allows you to easily navigate through Pelican Mouth. You can view all of the projects and tasks currently assigned by clicking View Projects from the menu. This is a complete list of all current and active tasks. The Add Project menu item allows you to quickly create a new project. You can give the project a name, assign it to the appropriate team members, select its priority level, leave a detailed description, add important attachments, and finally assign it a due date. Users assigned to the project will be sent an email alerting them of the new task to be completed. Inside any active project, you can leave detailed notes about your progress. This is a central communication tool that is incredibly useful when 2 or more people are working on a project or task together. It also allows management to stay on top of progress without having to constantly check in with team members. Any changes made to a project will be noted here in the Change History section. Pelican Mouth is a web-based productivity management tool that is simple and easy to use. Using Pelican Mouth productivity management software allows companies of all sizes to stay on top of their pressing tasks and projects. Users can collaborate on projects and tasks, share files and documents, and proficiently complete their to-do list. Pelican Mouth is a wise investment for any business.